Hey guys, Impossible Workouts here. I know the gyms are closed, so we're going to give you the Blizzard Blast. Get ready. All you need is your own body, maybe a mat if you have it, and if you happen to have a weight at home, something medium to heavy, have it out and ready to go. But if not, no worries. Everything that we're about to do here, you can do by yourself with just your body. At the end of the video, I want you to repeat it 2 more times. Alright, first thing I want you to do, 2 kicks. Kick, kick. Just do this for a minute. Now we're going to add 2 jacks. So kick, kick, jack, jack. Try to get those kicks up high, knee comes up first, and you snap out. Alright, we're about 30 seconds in. Instead of doing the jack, star jack, okay? 2 kicks, star jack. That means you're jumping up into the sky. You ready? Come on, you can do it. Let's go. If this is too much, go back to the jacks. Maybe every other set, you do those stars. Okay? Almost there. Get ready, 30 seconds is coming. Give me one more. All right, down on the floor, push-ups. You got 30 seconds, let's go. Hands are nice and wide. Do them on your knees if you have to, like this, but keep your butt flat no matter what. Almost there. All right, hop back up on your feet. I want you to do a squat with a hook. So jump out to the side, feet go wide, you go into a squat, and you hook across the body. There's 2 tricks to this move. Trick number 1, I need you to get low in that squat so your butt stops right above your knee height, okay? Trick number 2, that arm's coming straight across the body. Nice solid hook. Upper body stays up straight. You're 30 seconds in, let's go. Abs are tight, chest is up. Come on, let's go a little harder. A little lower in that squat. You got this. Less than 15 to go. Start to feel it in the legs. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, your 30-second blast. Turn to the side. I want you to turn and jump. This is a rotator jump. Use your arms to swing. Make sure you're squatting, landing toe ball heel. Option, if this is too much, just turn without the jump. Make sure you do that squat though, no matter what. Almost there. All right, come over to a wall. I want you to sit on it. Oh, this is particularly challenging. You should feel those quads right now, right? They're burning because of those rotator jumps, so that's okay. You stay in it. Your back should be flat against the wall. You should be sitting at a 90-degree angle. Don't be sitting up too high. You know yourself. You know your challenge limit. Keep breathing. You got this. You should feel solid and steady. Abs are tight, chest is up. You're breathing. Don't worry about your legs. 20 seconds to go. You got this. Ten seconds to go. You're almost there. Breathe. 5 seconds. 30-second blast is coming. We're doing burpees. Get off that wall. Let's go. Burpees are down, out, jump up. Down, out, jump up. Option, if this is too much, walk your feet out, out, in, and then reach up to the sky. I don't really care what you do, but I need you to do something. So let's go. 10 seconds to go on your burner. Woo. Give me one more. Yes. Face me. Switch kicks. All right, so all you're doing is kicking those feet straight out in front of you. Let's add something into this. Arms out, cross, 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 cross. Option to go lower intensity is just to kick your feet out while walking. Almost there. Halfway. Abs are tight. Kick those feet. Come on. Almost there. 15 seconds. Woo. How you feeling? Doing all right out there? Let's go. 5 seconds to go. Get ready. We're going to get on the floor. 2, 1, down on the floor. All right. I want you in a V-sit. I want you to hold it here. In a V-sit, you look like a V. Legs are up, upper body leaning back slightly. To make it a little harder, you can pull these hands. Hold it here. Keep going. You should already feel like your heart rate is up pretty significantly by now. 5 seconds. All right, come on up. Vertical jumps. Straight down, straight up. Straight up. You're using your hands to swing. Get that momentum up towards the ceiling. Let's go. If this is too much for you, don't worry. Lift the heels up and just reach. You always have options, so don't give up on yourself. Just do something. Come on. You're going to have to push yourself here. Come on, breathe. Get low into that squat. Get high into the air. Woo. Come on, you got 20 seconds left. You already made it this far. Let's finish this up. Breathe. 10 seconds to go. Big exhale as you push up. Off that floor. You got 3, 2, come on down. Plank. All I want you to do is hold the plank. You have options on the plank. You can drop to the knees if you need to. But I need you to keep that butt flat. None of this. Got me? Come on. Five seconds left here. 3, 2, 1. Flip it around. All right. Option 1 is a tricep dip with a leg lift for 30 seconds on one leg, 30 seconds on the next. If you have the weight, get on your knees and do an overhead extension instead. Overhead extension looks like this. We're bringing that weight down towards the back. Elbows staying really close, right against the ears. But if you don't have the weight, don't worry. You're about to switch feet. Switch it. So you're making sure these elbows are bending, dropping that butt down, but don't let it touch the floor. Keep that leg up. You got this. 10 seconds remain. Woo, boy. Feel that burn in the arms? That's how you sculpt, baby. All right, stop there. Flip it back around. I want you on your palms or on your elbows, and I want you to hop. Side, center, side, center. Make sure your butt stays flat. You want a nice tight core, nice tight bottom. Come on, keep popping it. You got 3, 2, 1. Go back and repeat that thing. 2 more rounds of that. You're gonna rock it. Have fun in the blizzard.